If you want to download new apps on Motorola Moto G56, you can use the Play Store app, which we can find by default in the app drawer somewhere over here. In my case, it is located in this place, so let's go over here. Once you open the Play Store, we can start looking for our app that we wish to download. Over here, if you select apps, then you have pretty much every app that you probably wish to have on your phone, so you can scroll through here in order to try to find your app. If you find something, you can tap on the app in order to find the install button. If you need to find something more specific, you can either go to categories over here at the top, and then you can choose one of these categories in order to search for something specific. Or if you know the name of the app, then of course we can go to search, tap on this search field here, and then you can write the name of the app that you wish to download. So let's say we're gonna download the Netflix app, why not? So once we are here, you should be able to find, of course, some search results. You can tap on your app if you managed to find it, and then we have the install button. Instead of tapping on the app, you can also tap on this install button over here. And that's all. Now you have to wait for the app to be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you can either open it over here from the Play Store immediately, or you can just find it, for example, in the app drawer. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.